Tutorial 2. Expert Profile Completion. Step 1. Stand out by uploading a professional profile picture. You can either take a fresh picture or upload one from your gallery. Adjust size if necessary. Step 2. Tap on Edit Profile to complete the rest of your profile information. Make sure your full name is typed. You can add a preferred title before your name like coach, doctor, and etc. Then select your country code and type your phone number. For your address, simply type in your city and select your country from the drop-down menu. Now, it's time to add a short bio about yourself in both English and Arabic. Use this section to shine and attract potential clients.
A great bio should include a self-introduction and can include an inspirational quote and a brief professional background. It can also include your years of experience, a list of your specialties, and a short statement about your unique approach or philosophy in your work.
Download Telehearts now and discover a new path to the arts of healthcare and wellness.